Today I am opening this clean formula dog treat to see what comes in the package. Now, I received these from the Creator Connections program with Amazon. Now these are made with premium Himalayan yak cheese and Mongolian yogurt gel stick, along with a Himalayan yak cheese gel stick. The yogurt is tuna and the cheese is salmon. They're free from artificial flavors, grains, colors, which I really like to see that in pet products. It looks like this pack comes with 2 different recipes, so you get a good variety. One is yak cheese with salmon and the other is Mongolian yogurt with tuna. They're supposed to be good for growing puppies and older dogs or picky eaters. They're also good for a meal topper over regular food, especially if your dog needs a little bit more encouragement to eat. So let's open one up. I guess it has a little spot right here to tear it open. Okay, I'll use the scissors. This is what the package looks like. It has a little spot to tear it. And the texture is nice and creamy. The smell is not overpowering. Now this would be easy to squeeze over kibbles or as a nice treat. This is the Himalayan yak cheese. You can see it's a nice consistency. Now I like that these are individually packaged because it makes it easy for traveling or nice little treats, training, or just giving a nice little snack. Now overall, this looks like a really clean, simple ingredient list, which is always something I look for when trying something new for the dog.